Back to SA Live. Well, what kind of shape is your roof in? Do you even know? Roof Fix not only provides new roofs, but they also inspect roofs and provide a roof tune-up package to customers, and are now offering drone cleaning technology through a partnership with Alamo Airborne. And here with everything you need to know is Roof Fix CEO, President Dwayne Sharping, and Yoshi Schechter, who is an FAA licensed operator and certified thermographer. Good afternoon, gentlemen.
Good afternoon.
All right, I thought we were talking roofs, but this does not look like a roof to me, but a really cool drone.
Right.
What's so special about this?
You know, it's the technology that we're using today for ultimate leak detection. You know, and that's the biggest problem when people come out to inspect a roof. Most people can't isolate the area, so they're going to replace the whole roof.
Okay.
We are going to use this technology to isolate the leaks so that we don't have to replace the roof.
Okay, so it's all a matter of that regular maintenance and inspection. How often do you have to have your roof inspected?
You know, the manufacturers recommend to get your roof inspected at least once a year. And Roof Fix will do annual leak inspections and roof inspections for free to anybody that wants to call and sign up.
Okay, so when we do inspections, two different devices here. The small one is kind of the one that scoops around, right?
Right. This is a thermal sensing drone. And as you can see on the screen here, as we move it around, we can see Dwayne's heat signature, so to speak. And what we do with this is we isolate leaks in the roof. So Dwayne's company can go out and not have to repair or replace the whole roof, but simply isolate the spot and just work on that one spot.
Now, when people think leak, they think of a water leak, but you're talking about heat leak, right? Or cold?
Well, the ultimate leak detection. So we're using different variables of temperatures to find out where moisture is penetrating the roof so that we can focus on what the roof needs to be repaired. Okay. And that's what the technology helps.
A lot of times you think of a roof, it's up there, it's an inanimate object, but like your HVAC system, your water heater, whatever, it takes regular maintenance, and basically this is what the big drone is for, right?
Correct. Yeah, you know, on thermal imagery, when we get thermal imagery in infrared, we can see layers into the roof. We can also even see if your AC is leaking in your attic.
Oh, wow. Really?
So, yeah, this inspection that we do is free. This is ultimate leak detection that no other company has ever offered this type of technology. And we're just glad to be able to be the first that brings this innovation to our customers, and we bring it to them for free.
Okay, when it comes to the actual maintenance, there's cleaning and all that, but sometimes the pitch of the roof is too steep. It might be one that you really can't walk on, and that's what the drone is for. This actually gets up there with a hose and sprays it down, right?
Correct. Absolutely. We use this to clean solar panels. We will use this to clean the roof and bring it back a new look. And then we also put a rejuvenator with our famous roof tune-up that will seal the roof, that we can back it, you know, with a lifetime warranty.
Okay. Does the roof tune-up come with the warranty, right? So
Yes.
not just the new roof, but the actual maintenance.
We will give a roof tune-up a lifetime warranty. So don't replace an old roof if you can make an old roof look new again, because we can replace any old roof and make it look new for fractions of the cost, and we'll give you a lifetime warranty.
Even if all the little pebbles have started coming off, you can replace
We can replace granule loss also. That's a great question, by the way, because we can take care of any granule loss. But you know, the idea is to make that roof with the rejuvenator. It rehydrates the roof. It gives it a brand new look again.
Oh, fantastic. And a lot cheaper than a new roof. So, hey, here's the deal for people watching right now. No money down, no payments until 2025. For the first 15 callers to schedule a free roof inspection and roof tune-up with Roof Fix. The number to call is 210-FIX-ROOF. That's 210-349-7663. And for more information, visit the website, rooffixsa.com. Dwayne, Yoshi, thank you very much, gentlemen.